Hi, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Leah, and here with me today, giving me a hand, is Chelsea. Well, you'll see her face in just a second. Today we are going to be unboxing the Brother PR1X, which is the newest machine in Brother's professional embroidery lineup of machines. This machine has a free arm, so you can embroider on all sorts of things, including hats, jackets, and so many more things. So we're going to get this machine unboxed and show you what it can do. So without further ado, Chelsea's over ready to start. And the very first thing you need to do when you're unboxing the PR machines is to squeeze the white tabs. The top of the box is going to lift off. There's 6 of those white tabs to remove so that you can have the top just come straight up. At this point, after you've taken the white clips out, the lid of the box will be ready to come off. I do recommend having a friend to help you with this. And you might have strapping on your box, so cut that. And then find a friend. When that outer cardboard is off, you should find the top layer of styrofoam that sits right in the top of it. If it's not coming out smoothly when you lift the box, you might need to open the box from the top. But ours was able to come out and just sit on top of where the machine is. And this top layer will have, that looks like your A driver for your hoops. Power cord, the 8x12 embroidery frame along with its hoop template, 4x4 embroidery frame along with its hoop template, data transfer cable, quick reference guide and user manuals, the small accessory box, and then the next layer of styrofoam, it's really important to check both sides of the styrofoam before removing. As you might find more treasures. There's the B driver. And the thread mast for the top of the machine. And you're still going to need your scissors or your knife for another second because there's a little bit of tape holding the 2 pieces of styrofoam together, front and back. Gently pull those 2 pieces of styrofoam apart. And you can remove the other packing materials. And that is your PR1X machine. Currently, you're just looking at the back side of it. And PR1X has a built-in bobbin winder, and it is a single needle machine with that free arm flexibility. Isn't she cute? It's adorable. I think it's a very nice looking machine. We'll go through and unpack the other items and show you how to attach that thread mast to the top of the machine as well. So now that we've got the main portion of the machine unboxed, we're going to show you the accessory box because we need one of the tools out of it to attach the thread mast.
We sure do.
So what's in that fancy little accessory box, Chelsea?
Well, first of all, it's a nice box.
Right? There's oil and that large screwdriver, little pair of thread snips, the needle screwdriver, a seam ripper because none of us are perfect all the time, a stylus for the touchscreen, screwdriver for the needle plate for tightening your hoops, thread nets in case your threads are slippery. There should be probably 4 of those. There's 4 spool pins.
4 was a good answer.
Wrench for leveling the feet, a pair of tweezers.
They're giant.
They're nice tweezers.
Very nice tweezers.
Little lint brush to help keep your machine clean. Spool felts to sit under your spools if you need them. Spool caps in case you have thread that's trying to jump to freedom. A little flathead screwdriver if you need to adjust your bobbin case tension. This is like a thread assisting tool. It's great. A weight for setting your bobbin tension. A needle plate spacer for specialty hoops like the hat frames. The secondary weight for adjusting your bobbin case tension. And then a few extra bobbins. We've got a pack of embroidery needles. An extra threader head, which is always a nice thing to have on hand. And some pre-wound bobbins. Now let's take that screwdriver and we'll attach the mast to the machine and show you where you can lift the machine out of its home. The thread mast goes in behind the spool pins in the bracket. There's probably a screw in there that you have to take out, or 2 screws you have to take out before you put it in. Should slide on kind of in the laying down position. And you can get 1 screw in. Both screws will tighten once it's in the fully raised position. If you were transporting your machine, you wouldn't have to remove the thread mast completely. If you wanted to take this machine to a craft fair and embroider out for people, it could be a lot of fun. After that thread mast is installed, we are ready to remove this and from the styrofoam and set it either on a brother stand or on the work surface that you'll be keeping your machine on. This particular machine has handles up underneath the base of the machine in three locations. There's one on the left, one on the right, and a place for two hands to go at the back underneath where the hand wheel is located. So now that you have your PR1X out of the box, we can't wait to see what you're going to create with it. And we're going to bring you more videos showcasing some of the amazing features on this cool new machine. Thank you so much for joining us. If you would like to get your hands on this machine, give us a call at my sewing room here in Calgary, and we'll be happy to help you out. Take care, everybody.
Bye.